Welcome. Today, let's explore how to send a video with text on Instagram using your PC. Follow these simple steps to share your videos with added captions. First, open your Instagram account on your PC by logging in. This will give you access to your feed, profile, and messaging options. Next, navigate to the chat where you want to send the video with text. Choose a direct message chat with a friend or a group conversation on Instagram. Now, within the chat window, look for the photo icon and click on it. Select the video you want to share from your computer by clicking on it. After choosing the video, click Open to add it to the chat. You can then proceed to write the text you want to accompany the video. Click on the text input field and type in your message or caption. Add a personal touch to your video with a creative and engaging caption. Once you've written the text, click on Send to share the video with text in the chat. Your message and video will be sent to the recipient. By following these steps, you can easily send videos with text on Instagram from your PC, allowing you to share your moments with a personalized message and connect with others through visual storytelling. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to send videos with text on Instagram on your PC. Share your stories, express yourself with captions, and engage with your friends through captivating video content on Instagram.